Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy hour time with Jamie. It is 4 o'clock, a little after 4, about 4:20. And I am live here from the Aroma Thyme bar. And I am coming live with a cocktail for you today. It is Tuesday. We are closed on Tuesdays, so don't plan on coming in. Tuesday, Wednesdays, we are closed. I will give a minute for everybody to kind of log in. I see some people logging in. Hopefully my notification went out. Happy Tuesday to you. Hello, Brenda. What a gorgeous, gorgeous day we had today. Absolutely beautiful. And hopefully you got outside, you got some fresh air. It's getting dark already. I hate it when it gets dark this early. But utilize the time in the morning, get up earlier, go for a walk, go for a run. Do something outdoors. The next couple of days are going to be nice, and then I think it's rainy on Friday. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. And I am going to make this a quick one today. We're closed Tuesday, Wednesdays, and just a reminder, on Thursday we will be closed as well for a private party. We have a large wedding here at Aroma Thyme, and so we will be open just for the private party on Thursday, so I apologize if that is an inconvenience for anybody. I really do apologize. We spent most of the day today just moving stuff around in our dining room, getting ready for the wedding we have here on Thursday, and I was doing some paperwork and all of that good stuff today. Gosh, I cannot, there we go. All right. My notification has not gone out yet, not sure why, but today I'm making something called an Adam's apple. It has bourbon, apple cider, lemon juice, and sweet vermouth in it. And let's see. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going to add a couple of splashes of lemon juice. I'm going to add the sweet vermouth that's on tap. And let me show you. I'm going to pour it into a glass so that you can see it, but it comes right out of our tap line. So about 1 ounce of sweet vermouth and a splash of local apple cider. And I'm gonna shake it on up. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate everybody watching. This is Courtney's recipe, so I have not had it yet. Hopefully it is delicious. I'm sure it is. She's done a great job at helping make cocktails here at Aroma Thyme and adding things onto our menu when we get new things in, and when we need, when we just come up with a new fall cocktail or holiday cocktail. She's really good at helping. So Adam's apple, bourbon, lemon juice, apple cider, sweet vermouth. It's very light. It's got that apple cider flavor to it. You don't really get the sweet vermouth that much in it, but a little bit of the clove and things like that in there. This would probably be really good with Zamaro in it. A girlfriend, a happy birthday. Very happy birthday to my friend Janine. It is her birthday. We are heading out to dinner, and that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Not sure why my live didn't go live. Only one person is catching me, so not sure why today. Marcus never got the notification either. Not sure why it does that. I don't know, maybe there's an algorithm to it. They know where I'm going on at 4 and they don't put it on. I'm not really sure. Not sure why it happens. But anyway, thank you, Brenda, for watching me. I appreciate it. If you watch this on the replay, please put hashtag replay in the comments. Drop me a line, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you were here. That would be greatly appreciated. And I got to get out to dinner. Talk to everybody soon, and we'll see you on Friday. Cheers.